Welcome to the viewers. I am your Dr.RAJANAYAKI, Siddha doctor from Coimbatore, Sivasakthi Siddha Health Center. Today we are going to see a very critical problem among the young children and the elders also. They are finding more sufferings. They are finding more sufferings in this problem. That's called fits. Already you know. So what's the reason for this fits problem? Let's see the reasons. Actually, we should know the part of the brain. So here we draw the part of the brain. So you see here the brain. The front portion is called forebrain. This front portion is controlled the thinking, what we are thinking, our intelligence. So it is controlled by this forebrain. The next one is midbrain. The third one is hindbrain. So here, what is happening in the fixed patient? We are having this ear, 2 ears we are having. The 1 to 3 centimeters up this ear part, we are having the parietal lobe. That is both sides of the brain, these parts. Loss of blood supply due to loss of blood supply and loss of some minerals which needs to grow for the brain cells. So brain cells is otherwise called as neurons. So many neurons is situated in the brain cells. So these neurons get stimulated because of the proper intake, loss of blood supply and loss of vitamins, mineral, food, loss of this activity. So the fits appear in the part. Some pressure is present in the brain. Because of this problem, the pressure varies. Due to this variation of the pressure, that impulses get disturbed. So the patient get fits. So what is we should do for the fits patient? Let's see. Actually the 17th November this is called the National Epilepsy Day. Already I told you that this is brain stem. This brain stem is going through the spinal cord till the end of the part. So this spinal cord, this brain stem, it controls our heart, our kidney, lungs, our BP and everything it controls. So in the fits patient, first it occurs in one side, the parietal lobe, only one side it occurs. Gradually the problem will spread through all over the brain. So frequent gets this problem. It's a chronic. After some days it becomes a chronic problem. So first what happening here? The disturbance, the loss of blood supply, loss of nutrients to the brain creates these fits. So in the younger period, less than 1 year, the babies get high fever. So these disturbance happening, so they get fits. So in the beginning stage only, if they come to Siddha treatment, with the help of our herbal medicines, we should not allow the fits. Live with the patients for some more days, more than 10 years, more than 15 years. But what happened nowadays? That their treatment is particularly not only reduce the fits, our treatment. We are strengthening the brain and we are regenerate the brain neuron nerve cells. We give strength to the neurons, nerve cells. So the patient get complete recover from the fits from the beginning itself. So because nowadays patients, those who are taking the other medicines for the fits, chronic treatment, because of this chronic treatment, so many complications occur in their body. They are after 14 to 15 years, they take this fits medicine, that impotence and many hormone imbalance and diabetic and BP problems, so many complications occur also because of this chronic medication and treatment. So it became stable. After some days, the fits became stable, it affects more. And then after age of 55, already they will become more weak because of the some other diseases like diabetic and BP, some more disease may occur. So patient get worse because of the fits problem. So earlier treatment is best for these fits. And earlier treatment should be in herbal medicines. It could very much improvement, give the good improvement for the patients. Here in Siddha concept, how we are treating, we are having 21 types of fits in our subject, and more than 1000 medicines are available in Siddha to treat this fits or epilepsy problem. And treatment differs from person to person because treatment depends upon the root cause. We are treating root cause. So if the root cause is completely cured, then the fits will also completely cured for the patient. So our special treatment is internal, and also external treatment is available. And we advise the patient not to take sour taste and gastric produced diet. We advise them not to take. So now we are in the home remedy session. Actually, so many patients ask me, doctor, is there any medicine for fits in your Siddha? I ask them to do this at home. That is Vallari. Vallari plant, everybody knows this Vallari plant. Take 1 tumbler juice of this Vallari plant and put the 3 kadak powder. That is 10 gram, 10 gram, 10 gram. The 3 kadak powder also available in the shop. Otherwise, that is the sukku, the dry ginger, the pepper, that piper. Next one is piper longum. Piper nigrum and piper longum. These 3 kadak, take each take 100 grams and fry it and powder it and keep it in a powder form. So afterwards you take this Vallari juice, mix with 1 tumbler Vallari juice, 1 tumbler ghee and 30 grams of 3 kadak powder. Mix it and put it in the fire and make into oil and ghee, pahu badam. It becomes ghee medicine. That sedimentation settle in the bottom, then upper we can see the medicine ghee form. So cool it and filter this ghee medicine in a bottle. Take this ghee medicine morning 1 spoon, evening 1 spoon with hot water or milk. Continue the treatment till the fits become disappear. So it's a very good treatment solution in Siddha, and so many medicines also available in Siddha. That is that we are making some medicines for in metals and mineral medicines are also we are giving depends upon the patients, and zinc and magnesium we are giving as a medicine to the patient, and that is called this and we are giving one type of oil, and that fits oil Balipuk Thailam and this Naha Pashpam and that Kalna Parpamatre, and we should ask the patient the alternate days to take bath with this Chukku Thailam. So many kinds of medicines are available for the PFITS patient. So viewers, definitely our Siddha medicine will not take the disease go for a long period. Only 3 months to 6 months you should take herbal medicines for the fits problem also. Your fits completely cured with our herbal medicines, viewers. So in the video, I put my phone number. I post my phone number also available in the video. So any doubt you can ask me that phone number, and you clarify your doubt, and you can get the medicines through courier also. So viewers, this is the time I take leave now. So I will see the next video, viewers. Until then, goodbye. Vanakkam, viewers.